When you're looking for a place to call your own, River's Edge Realty will guide you home. From the shorelines to the city streets, we're here to help where dreams and real estate meet. River's Edge Realty.
Big news is making waves in the building and real estate world, and it directly impacts our communities. QXO Inc. just made a bold move, acquiring Beacon Roofing Supply for a whopping $11 billion. This isn't just a Wall Street headline, it's a signal of what's ahead for the entire real estate and housing market. Beacon is the second largest roofing distributor in North America, and 80% of its business is repair and remodeling. Things that matter to homeowners, investors, and buyers alike. This deal could accelerate infrastructure upgrades, home repairs, and even new housing developments. With over 4 million homes needed, aging buildings across the U.S., and a $2 trillion need for infrastructure upgrades, the market is primed for transformation and investment is following. This acquisition may lead to faster renovation timelines, more stable material pricing, and increased inventory. Good news for both buyers and sellers. Whether you're looking to upgrade, invest, or finally find that perfect home, this is the kind of movement we watch closely. At River's Edge Realty Group, we're always staying ahead of the curve to guide you through a dynamic market, because these shifts create opportunity. River's Edge Realty Group, call us today. Let's talk about your next move.
When you're looking for a place to call your own, River's Edge Realty will guide you home. From the shorelines to the city streets, we're here to help where dreams and real estate meet. River's Edge.